Hi, my name is Ellie. In this video, I'm going to explain how I solved a question on Leetcode. This is question number 28, implement string. And the goal of this question is to return the index of the first occurrence of needle in haystack, or -1 if needle is not part of haystack. So needle and haystack are the two parameters we are receiving in this function. And we are trying to check if the string variable needle exists within the string variable haystack. So, and if needle is not part of haystack, as I said before, we are going to return -1. Okay, so an example is, if you can see here, if haystack is hello and needle is LL, the output would be 2 because LL starts at index number 2 in this haystack string variable. And now if we go into the solving part, the code part, so I have two variables in the beginning called length n and length h, and length n is the length of variable the needle variable, and length h is the length of the haystack variable. And then in this for loop, we're going to check if the needle string exists in the haystack string. And the for loop is going to loop until from 0 until length h minus length n plus 1. This is because we want to prevent the for loop from going out of bounds. Since the needle for example, if this is the case we are dealing with, since the length of needle is 2, we should only check until 2 characters before the ending character of the string, so that the for loop does not go over out of bounds. So that is why we have this part of the condition in this for loop. And in this if statement, so we were grabbing substring from I to I plus length n. So we are grabbing a substring of characters, and those characters are going to be the length of n, because we're trying to find the exact same character, that the exact same string variable of needle in haystack, and we're checking if it actually equals needle. So this will this if statement will check if that needle string exists in the haystack string, and if it does, we will return I, which is the current position and index we are on. And if this for loop has like if this for loop has looped until its last limit and nothing was returned, obviously this -1 would be returned, and that will mean that needle string variable does not exist in the haystack that we received. So if we run the code, it will work for our input hello and LL, and if we submit it, we'll also get a successful answer. So yeah, thank you for watching this video.